afternoon. Thanks for joining us at LALIK'S kitchen. Today I am at my cousin's house, my cousin Armen's house. We are in Vegas and I'm a guest at LALIK'S house. I have here with me Armen's wife Nara and his beautiful daughter Marina. We are going to make Nara's specialty recipe and we are going to make layered vegetable cake. And Nara is going to explain it in Armenian since her friends and family in Armenia, they are going to watch us too. So we'll speak in Armenian and we will also speak in English. So this will be in Armenian and English episode. Thank you guys for joining me and thank you Nara for sharing your special recipe with us. And Marina is here and we both are going to help Nara to make this real quick, so make it quick and easy for you. So let's get started.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nara. So tell us about this recipe. What are you going to do? Should we switch places so you can delegate?
Okay.
You can tell us what to do and then we will do
That
it.
sounds good.
Okay, so that way we'll speed up the transaction.
Ուրեմն պատրաստելու համար մեզ անհրաժեշտ է բազուկ, նախորոք խաշված, մաքրված, կարտոֆիլ, նախորոք խաշված, մաքրված, գազարը հում, թթուկ աղամ եւ սոխ։ Մեր բանջարեղենով քեյքի համար։ Ուրեմն սկզբնական
Should I
շրջան
translate it first? Okay, Marina, do you want to translate?
Sure.
What those are
Sure.
and what we need?
Yeah, happy
Let's-
to. So,
okay.
thanks for coming into our kitchen today. I'm excited to share with you this recipe with my mom. She was explaining which ingredients we need to get started and shared that we need pre-boiled and skinned beets, pre-boiled and skinned potatoes, some raw onions chopped pretty finely, some raw carrots, some pickled cabbage. As you can see, my grandmother pickled this one. It's nice and pink with beet juice.
and sour cream.
And a little bit of sour cream.
And also some garnish.
And
Yeah.
garnish.
Yes. And her grandma, by the way, she's a great cook and I always enjoy her cooking. But today we are going to enjoy Nara's cooking and Nara's recipe because Nara mostly also learned from her mother-in-law too. So, okay, Nara Jan, let's start.
Ուրեմն սկզբնական շրջանում վերցնում ենք թափանցիկ տարա, որ ավելի լավ երևա, սոխը մեկ շերտով, այսպես դասավորում ենք մեջը, արդեն նախորդ կտրատված, այնպես պիտի անենք, որ շերտերը երևա։
Marina Jan, would you like to
I
translate
can
this
be the
for us?
translator, sure. So what you want to make sure you have a clear and transparent bowl so that as you put the layers of the salad in, you can see it really beautiful from the side. And you're gonna start by layering in all of your chopped onions. And just make sure it spreads across the bottom of the bowl like this.
How big was the onion? Ինչքան էր մեծությունը?
Մեծությունը մոտարապես
Միջին չափի։
միջին չափի։ Անյանը, միջին չափի, անյան, 4 մասի եմ բաժանել, կտրատել մանր։
Okay, she's using a one medium-sized onion. It's a white onion. Now she's going to grate some potatoes.
Some potatoes.
I like your grater, so it collects on the bottom.
Inside, yeah.
So Nara, how did you learn this? Ինչպես սովորեցիր?
Այս ռեսիպին ես ընկերուհուց եմ վերցրել, բայց տարիներ առաջ երկար ժամանակա օգտագործում եմ ու երբ որ մարդիկ գալիս են պատրաստում եմ, շատ գոհ եմ մնում, շատ սիրում են։ Հիմա տեսնենք, եթե սա բավական է։ Ուրեմն դնենք այս ուղղը։ Սա էլ մեկ շերտով, այսպես պետք է դրվի վրան տարածենք։
So she grated one of the boiled potatoes and she's spreading it out in the bowl as well for one layer of potatoes on top of the onions.
Մի քիչ էլ ապրեք, սա մի քիչ է։
So she's saying we need a little more.
Yeah.
We bought him up at the nest?
Չէ,
In between?
աղ չենք դնում, որտեղ թթուն արդեն աղի է, մի քիչ էս կարտոֆիլը անհարմար դարավ, բայց ոչ
This is an interesting concept,
Ահա,
and I believe it's going to be beautiful because of the layers.
yeah. Okay.
So Marina, what's your specialty? I know you make a lot of delicious recipes too. I've seen your Facebook and Instagram
Հաջորդը
pictures.
կաղամբն ենք դնում, արդեն նախորդ կտրատված։ Սա կարող է սպիտակ կաղամբ լինի։ Պարտադիր չի կարմիր, ուղղակի ձեռքի տակ կարմիրը հիմա ունենք, դրա համար կարմիրն եմ օգտագործում։
Գույնավոր ավելի գեղեցիկ։
Yeah, վստահ եմ։
So now we're layering in the pickled cabbage. You can use, this pickled cabbage happens to be pink because of the beet coloring, but you can also use regular white cabbage as well.
So whatever you have in your possession, it doesn't have to be in any certain type.
Yeah,
But
Exactly.
just to marry the taste, those are the ingredients.
okay, սա վերջացավ։
Do you want us to
Սրճը-
grate something for you? You can delegate.
Yeah,
We're here to help you.
okay։ Գազարը կարող ես։
Okay.
Սրա վրա մի քիչ բիբար ենք ցանում, սև բիբար։
Մեծովանեմ.
So she's adding a little bit of black pepper on top of the pickled
I'm going
cabbage.
to help. Is this the right size?
Yeah. Մի քիչ սմետան ենք դնում վրան։
And you squeeze a little bit of sour cream on top.
Ահա։ Ռանդարեցինք եւ բազուկը ռանդարեցինք։ Հիմա սա պիտի տեղափոխենք մեր հիմնական տարայի մեջ, տարածելով, այսպես։
So she's now layering the carrots on top of the sour cream.
Աղ չենք օգտագործում, որտեղ թթուն աղի է, իր աղը բավականացնում է արդեն։
We're not using additional salt on this dish because the pickled cabbage is already quite salty itself, so the saltiness will sort of steep through the entire dish.
Yeah. Կաղամ
But I think it's up to you. If it's your preference, you
Yeah.
want to add salt and pepper, it's
That's
up to
right.
you. It's to your taste.
That's
Right.
Այո։ Վրան էլ արդեն ռանդա արած բազուկն ենք ավելացնում։
Now she's layering on top the grated beets.
Հիմնականում օգտագործում ենք թափանցիկ ափսեն, որ կողքից գեղեցիկ երևա։ Հիմա որ վերջացնենք կնայենք կողքից ոնց է երևում։
Նրա չի պիտի դարձնենք հետո։ Չէ սառացնում
Չէ,
հետո դարձնում։
չէ։ Հենց ինքը այսպես էլ օգտագործում ենք։
So it's a layered cake like a salad,
Yeah,
right?
ահա,
Vegetable cake, salad cake, right?
yeah.
That's right.
And does it have any special name or
It's a
vegetable?
vegetable cake. Like, yeah.
We can call it Nara's vegetable cake.
Not a vegetable cake, yes.
Վերջում մենք ուրեմն sour cream-ն ենք դնում, սմետան,
Okay.
այսպես
This is Marina's
yeah.
part.
Yeah.
Marina, you can translate.
Yeah, so for the final layer, she's layering on top another layer of sour cream. As you can see, this is going to be the top layer, so she's careful spreading it out really pretty so that it's pleasing to look at.
Այսպես կլորաձև ենք անում եւ արանք ենք թողնում, որովհետեւ 5 րոպե հետո բազուկը գույնը տարածում է սմետանայի վրա եւ շատ գեղեցիկ գույն է ստացվում։
Oh, interesting. So she said you want to do rounds that are maybe
Like
it
a
looks
stripe
like
type. She's leaving
yeah,
the stripe
sort
in
of
between.
like a stripe. It looks like it's about a ½ inch apart between the stripes because in about 10 minutes from now the beets are going to give off their color to the sour cream and it's going to make it look nice and pretty and pink.
It looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Are we done?
Եթե ուզում ենք վերջում ձևավորում ենք, սա
I think we'll
tomato-ի
give the honor to Marina. She's good at this. I know that.
yeah.
Okay, sure.
Okay,
You
Marina.
put the tomato, so if you want to garnish it at the end, you can garnish it To your own
Tomato
personal
skin over.
style.
Yeah.
My mom made a little rose out of a tomato skin, and then we're gonna put these mint leaves to make it look like the leaves of the rose.
Oh,
Here,
that's
Vicky.
beautiful.
But you can style it however you'd like.
Yeah.
This looks beautiful. Isn't this?
Հիմա
I'm going
5
to take-
րոպե հետո գույնը կտարածվի, շատ գեղեցիկ ա լինում, ավելի գեղեցիկ,
This
քան
is
հիմա
beautiful.
կերևա։ Ուտելը ավելի հաճելի ա։
I'm sure this is going to be part of my menu from now on. I'll include this in my menu, and I will of course make this. This looks very delicious. We are going to taste it shortly.
Yeah.
Besides making this salad, Nara made a whole spread of a table. She cooked Mexican dish today, and we are going to eat Mexican. Our menu is Mexican today. So what did you make, Nara, for us today?
Մարինենոս։
We have enchiladas, we have tacos, we have refried beans and rice, all
Oh
of
my
the good
God.
stuff.
Guacamole.
They made so much. When they make food, like Armenians, we all are known for having so much food at our table. So they made such a big feast for us. We need hours to finish it, but our flight is later today. So too bad we cannot sit that long to finish everything. But I'll tell you all about it. So we're going to take a pic of that too, because she had spent so much time and she prepared so much food. So Nara John, thank you so much for sharing this beautiful recipe and delicious recipe with us.
Thank you,
I'm
Lisa.
sure you're going to try this, and I would highly suggest you to try it. And if you try it, please let us know how you like it and write comments so our Nara will know how you like her recipe.
Yeah.
Զեկասեինք ձեր բարեկամներին, որ պիտի դիտեն։
Կասեի, որ թողնային Margaret LALIK'S Kitchen։
You're welcome
Yeah,
to join my
yeah.
channel. I would suggest you, and I would invite you to come and join Margaret LALIK'S Kitchen. We make different recipes every Sunday. I release new videos at 10 a.m. every Sunday. Sometimes I miss some Sundays because it's summer and I have fun in summer and I don't have the time to release new videos every Sunday, but it's regularly every Sunday at 10 a.m. You're welcome to join.
Ճիշտ
Yes.
ասած, ես միշտ քո ռեսիպիները օգտագործում եմ
Oh,
տանը։
how nice! I'm so happy
Պատրաստում
to
եմ
learn.
եւ շատ համեղ ա
What have you
ստացվում։
made? I know you made the gata.
Գաթա, բուլկիները, չամիչով, չորակները, yeah,
The Easter chorek.
Easter չորակ։
She loves sweets and she made some sweets
Yeah.
from my
Uh-huh.
recipes. I'm happy to hear
Yeah.
that. Well, you'll make us happy if you make and try our recipe and let us know. Just write a note. And Marina John, what do you want to say to our audience? To your
Yeah.
friends who's going to watch this.
Definitely try this salad and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, thanks for joining us today. And what do we say at the end? Have
Have
a
a
wonderful
wonderful
day,
day,
wonderful
wonderful
week, and wonderful life. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
As we said in the beginning, we are a guest at our cousin's house, Armen's house, and we have here Armen's father, our uncle Jose, his wife Maus Tanti, his daughter-in-law Nara, and his granddaughter Marina. We had so much fun fun at LALIK'S residence. Nara shared her delicious salad recipe with us. We ate together, we laughed together, we had so much fun. We enjoyed their hospitality, we enjoyed their delicious food, and we also went through the memory lane, and I learned a few things from my mom's and Maru's tante's wedding. Maru's tante remembered that she had borrowed my mom's veil on her wedding day, which was made by my aunt Yerisapet.